I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream with a blender. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of frozen fruit like berries or bananas, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup. Make sure your blender is a high-speed model to handle the frozen fruit effectively. Also, have a freezer-safe container ready for your delicious creation. Now let's get blending. Combine your frozen fruit, heavy cream, and sweetener in your blender. Start on a low setting to break down the fruit, then slowly increase the speed. You might need to use the tamper or stop and scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything mixes evenly. Keep blending until the mixture is thick, smooth, and has a soft serve consistency, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once your ice cream mixture reaches a soft serve consistency, transfer it into your prepared freezer-safe container. For a firmer, scoopable ice cream, you'll want to freeze it for at least 2 to 4 hours. If you prefer a softer texture, a shorter freezing time is fine. For the best results, stir the mixture every hour during the first 2 hours of freezing to help prevent the formation of large ice crystals, ensuring a smoother final product. After freezing, your homemade blender ice cream is ready to enjoy. If it's too hard, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly before scooping. Serve it in bowls and feel free to add your favorite toppings like sprinkles, chocolate sauce, or fresh fruit. Any leftover ice cream can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.